In the journey of life, we will inevitably encounter difficulties and low tides. However, have you ever found that real relief does not come from external change, but from inner change? When we begin to face our hearts, reflect on past experiences, and bravely express our true selves, we can gain true freedom. And the beginning of all this lies in reflection and self-discovery. In the journey of our life, many people fall into external pursuit and internal confusion. They always look for an outlet for freedom, but they don't know that freedom actually comes from the heart. The wisdom of Buddhism teaches us that true freedom comes from our awareness and reflection on ourselves. When we can see our own truth clearly, we are no longer troubled by the external environment. Whenever we reflect on ourselves in difficulties and dig out the deep inner truth, we can see that what binds us is not the outside world, but the heart that we fail to face. Reflection is a kind of power that can help us get rid of our inner illusions and discover infinite freedom and relief. Reflection brings enlightenment, and awareness brings relief. We often can't see our own essence because of our inner limitations, so we fall into endless pain. However, when we are really willing to face our heart and deeply explore its truth, we can break the inner shackles and find the way to freedom. Buddhist wisdom reminds us that all the pain in life is actually the result of our failure to have a true dialogue with ourselves. When we no longer avoid our hearts, but choose to face and reflect truthfully, the inner relief will occur naturally. We are no longer trapped by the pain of the past, but discover the inner freedom and power. In the torrent of reality, we are often overwhelmed by expectations and pressures and lose ourselves. However, inner peace comes from looking at yourself truthfully. When we no longer pursue external recognition, but choose to truly face our own shortcomings and strengths, inner peace will be born. This peace does not come from the achievement of the outside world, but from our awareness of the essence of ourselves. When we can calmly accept our vulnerability and strength, our hearts are no longer moved by external evaluations, so as to find true peace and freedom. In life, we often wear masks and try to adapt to the expectations of others, but lose our true selves. Buddhist wisdom reminds us that these illusions are the root of our inner pain. Only when we are willing to break these illusions and face our true selves will our inner freedom truly come. The true self is a fearless force, which can lead us out of the fog to inner realization and peace. When we let go of all disguises and accept our essence, our inner freedom will illuminate our way forward like a light. Many people always choose to escape or cover up in the face of pain, but Buddhist wisdom tells us that healing will only begin when we really face the inner scars. True self-accession is the starting point of healing. When we no longer cover up the pain, but choose to see and accept it, we can find the inner healing power. This healing power comes from our inner truth, which makes us understand that no matter how much pain we experience, the light in our hearts always exists. When we completely accept ourselves, including all the scars and imperfections, our hearts begin to be deeply healed.